Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B, and today I'll be doing pet organization for my favorite and only fur baby, Bubbles. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. First, let's go shopping. Alright, we're in PetSmart. She does like the bag and treats, so we're gonna get some of those. Bubbles is doing her thing. Of course, I'm masked up, just in case. Oh, we do need to go look. Hey, Bubbles. We do need to go look at food. Let's do that. Alright, so we got her bacon treats. We got your bacon treats. Somebody's happy. So now we're gonna go to probably Home Goods and get the rest of the organizational stuff for this project. So let's go. Hey guys, okay, so it is the next day. I didn't make it yesterday. I was gonna organize her stuff yesterday, but that just didn't happen. So today I'm going to show you guys what my current situation for Bubbles organization is right now, because it is not cute and it is not sustainable and it's a hot mess, okay? So let me show you guys really quick what I like and how I usually store her stuff, because I don't even know what to call it. It's just, I just store her stuff in a bag and throw it in a little crate. So let me show you. Okay, so here is the crate that I use to store all of Bubbles' stuff in. I'm gonna still use this crate, but I just want things to be a bit more structured and organized. But I have this crate and then I have this bag of all of her stuff that I just throw in here. So it's actually really pitiful. So I have her dog food, which the bad thing about this dog food, and I'm gonna transfer all of her dog food into canisters, it doesn't have anything to like seal it, as you can see. It's just like the paper, I guess, cup or paper packaging. So I usually have to roll it under, and I just feel like it doesn't really keep her food fresh. And one thing about dogs is, or at least my dog, she doesn't like stale food. She is bougie, okay? So yeah, this isn't gonna work. Plus, she's been kind of weird with this food lately. She only really eats this with chicken broth. So yeah, I'm gonna see if she can eat the rest of this, but I probably won't buy this brand anymore anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna transfer these into some airtight sealed bins and canisters, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use. I'm actually gonna use stuff I've already had that I'm not gonna use anymore for my pantry. So I will be using that for the dog food instead. So that's gonna go in one of those. Again, same deal, like I didn't even know this was in here. Probably gonna throw this away because yeah, that's disgusting. And then I just have like random stuff, like I don't even know why this cup is in here. Why is this in here? Why? This is, when you're not organized, this is what happens. Just like random empty bottles. Trash. And a bunch of her toys and just a bunch of like miscellaneous stuff in here. She has like cute little sweaters and stuff. I mean, I put clothes on her occasionally. You know, she gets really cold sometimes and she likes it. I mean, she seems to like it. So this shampoo is actually not empty, so that's good. A random water bottle. Like what? She honestly needs a new like hairbrush, so probably should trash that. Anyway, as you can see, I am going to clean all of this stuff up, get rid of the stuff that I know that we probably won't use for her anymore and that we're gonna keep. And then I did, as you guys saw in the last clip, go to PetSmart and get her like new treats and all that good jazz. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna organize that, and I'm gonna put those in some really nice cute canisters, so yeah, it can be just nice and neat and things won't go bad, because that's the biggest thing. Like, I don't want her stuff to go bad. This stuff is not cheap. So I definitely want to make sure it looks nice and it's, you know, functional, but it's not going to waste and that it's gonna be fresh, because she is bougie, okay? Let me tell you, she is really bougie. I am going to do like a little cleanup. As you guys know, my biggest tip when you're doing any organizational project is make sure that you are purging. So I am going to actually go through, put things in categories, and then purge things that are not going to work for her anymore, and then I am going to get to transferring the food and the treats to the bins and just making everything very nice, neat, and functional. So let's get into it. All right, Bubbles, you want to help me? Are you gonna help? Should we get rid of this or not? Bubbles, should we get rid of this? Do you want this? Oh no. Comment down below if you guys who have pets keep the little stuffed animals that they bite holes into when you first buy them. Like, am I the only one? I try to keep them as long as I can until she like completely tears them out, because she's really like obsessed with this animal right now. She carries this everywhere. She sleeps with this. Like, it's actually pretty cute. So I feel really bad if I get rid of this. I think I'm gonna go to the treats next and the food, because I'm really excited to organize that, because that has been a mess for me. All my dog moms know that, you know, you just need something that's convenient to grab their treats and give it to them, and something that they can't get into, because she will tear through a bag, okay, of treats. So yes, I'm talking about you. You tear through a bag of bacon treats, right? Right? Anyway, so let's get into transferring her dog food into canisters. And I'm gonna show you guys the canisters that I got for her food and her treats. So let me show you guys. Here are the canisters that I got for today's organization. Actually, these were already in my pantry. I'm not gonna use them anymore. They are from IKEA, very inexpensive. So I'll definitely leave the link down below in the description box. This little jar that I got from IKEA as well, that I previously used in my pantry and I'm not using anymore. So I'm gonna use this for her, maybe like her bones, like the bone treats. And I got these two little glass canisters. I don't think I'm gonna use both, but I just got two just in case. But these are from Home Goods. They were only $2.99, which was a pretty good deal. So I'll probably use this for like her bacon treats or maybe her bones. I don't know. I gotta see what is gonna fit with what, because I definitely want to make sure I can fit all the treats into these canisters and not have any leftovers in the bags. I definitely want to make sure I can fit the milk bone treats into another container, because these are not resealable, and I think these will probably get a little stale. Also, like I showed you guys when we went shopping, I'm so excited about her new pet food because it's resealable, and all my dog moms out there know it's hard to find food that is resealable, because like I said, usually the food comes into the like paper packaging, so you have to fold it under. So even though I'm transferring these to bins, if I do have some left over, it's nice I can keep it fresh and it can be sealed off, and I'll put this like on the floor in the pantry or something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna start transferring everything into the bins. I'll probably do food in these bins and then the treats in the other bins, and of course I am gonna label, so I'll show you guys that. I'm not gonna use my Cricut Sheen for this one because I need to get more vinyl paper, but I'll just use my label maker, which I'll also link my label maker that I use down below in the description box, because I love this. This is like my holy grail, and honestly, like, you're not organizing if you're not labeling. So let's get into transferring the food into the bin. All right, so this is what all of her treats and her food looks like in the canisters, and she is like having a field day right now because I think she smelled me taking all the stuff out. She really loves the bacon treats. You want a bacon treat? You want a bacon treat? Let's give you one. Sit, sit. Good girl, good girl. Here you go. Anyway, I'm gonna work on labeling all of these with my labeling machine, and I'll probably do general labels, just like treats, or maybe I'll do treats for this one because she usually doesn't eat these that much. She loves the bacon treats, so we always get those. So I'll do bacon treats, and then just dog food in general, because who knows if she'll like this dog food. I don't want to, you know, put the brand name and she hates it. But yeah, the bacon treats are like her favorite, and that's the thing that she is definitely not going to not have. And I decided to use both of the canisters that I got from Home Goods because I just didn't want to have leftover bacon treats in here. I already have like leftover food in the bags, which is fine. I'll put them in the bottom of the pantry, but I definitely wanted to make sure I had all of the product that I needed for her that could fit into this bin. So I'm gonna work on doing labels and then put all of the product in the bin and then organize the other stuff that I got going on here, all her toys and stuff. So hopefully all of that can fit in this bin. We'll see how that works out. You guys, it looks so cute. It's like a little store. I love it. And I just love, like, first of all, you know I love aesthetically pleasing organization, okay? But I just love that you can see everything. Everything is gonna stay fresh. These are hers to keep forever. But it's gonna stay fresh and it just looks nice. Like, this is cute. So when I move and I put this in a space that maybe is designated for her, it can be more out in the open versus in this bin. But for now, it's gonna stay in this bin because, you know, I don't really have a lot of room to just put this in the pantry. And honestly, I wouldn't want it in the pantry. Maybe somewhere else that could be designated for her. But yes, I absolutely love this. Like, this is so cute. Are you excited, mommy? Do you like it? All right, hopefully this stuff can fit. You guys, I absolutely love this pet organization. So let me show you guys the after. I will say, like I said, everything fits in this bin. I had to purge some of her stuff, but everything fits. And it looks like a little cute, like little mini dog store. Like, I love it, okay? So let me show you guys the after, and then I'll show you guys what Bubbles think. Maybe she'll have some type of reaction. So let's get into the after. Bubbles, are you ready to see the reveal? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Ooh, somebody likes it, right? You like it? Ooh, look all the stuff you got. Come here. Let me show you all the stuff you have. Come here. You got a new toy. Your clothes is over here, so you gotta make sure you keep it neat. And your toys and your treats. Look at that. You like it? Oh. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this pet organization video. It's definitely something different from what I usually do, but you know, she's a part of the household, so wait, what is she doing? Oh, see, you can't get into the treats. She likes to tear holes in the bags. But anyway, she's a part of the household, so I had to make sure that her stuff is organized too, because it was just a mess in that bag. I just threw everything in there before and it just wasn't aesthetically pleasing. So I just like how this looks now. It's more functional, it's practical and sustainable, which I really, really love. And it just looks pretty too. So if I do want to put it in another space and have it out in the open, it won't look like a sore thumb. Anyway, that is it. Comment down below and let me know what organizational tips and tricks that you guys use for your pets, or if this video helped you and inspired you to organize your pet stuff as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.